I'm oh my god, this is not gonna end well. Hope I don't die. There's one way to drain it. Oh my god. There you go. Alright, now we're gonna seal it up with rivets and put some silicone on the mating surface. Pretty much any kind of silicone will work, but I ran out of the regular gray or black silicone, and the only thing I have left is the Toyota FIP. So I guess we're going fancy today. Alright, so first of all, we secure it with the Clico pins, and then coming to the outside, just get a little pick and try to draw a mark on the, just along the edge. So that way you know where you should apply the silicone at. Now you can pretty much see the line that we just scraped. What we gotta do is just apply the silicone. Yeah, like that. So now I'm gonna get a Clico pin and just put it in for now. Then just put it on. There it is. Okay. Alright, that is on. Second one. Don't drop it. And then that is on. Alright, sweet. So now I'm putting all the Clico pins back on. What I'm gonna do is, after I put all of them on, I'm gonna remove them one by one, and each time I remove one, I'm just gonna rivet a hole. That's the plan. Hopefully it ends well. Sun is setting. I'm trying to get it done before it gets dark and before I get hungry again, because I get hungry easily because I'm fat. All right, so let's do it. So the thing is, I ran out of the short one, so this is the long one. I'm not sure if it's gonna work as well as I wanted to. I'm gonna do one and then see how it is. And if it's too long, the rod breaks before it pulls it tight, I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot and get some shorter ones. We'll try it. If it doesn't work, we'll finish it up next week. Alright, moment of truth. Okay, that's a good sign. Alright. Now, let me see the other side. Alright, seems like it's working. So let me hurry the hell up. Oh, come on, go in. Oh hell. Come on. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh no. Oh my god, this one left the rod outside. Oh well. I'll fix it next time. Knew he's not gonna end well. I knew it. No, I need another one. This is not my favorite tool, but sometimes at a weird angle like this thing actually works. I don't like it because it has really short leverage and it's really tight. There it is. It worked. Did I do it from the inside? Alright, I guess for that one it's a no-go for tonight. This one's no-go either. I'll put these two back on and I'm gonna tackle it from the outside tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow. Next week. Cause I ain't got no time for that shit tomorrow. There it is. There it is. Oh. Well, except for that one and those two, the rest of it's on. Tight. I like that. Anyway, that's a wrap for today. See ya.